The snow is crunchy today, but it's still a very pleasant day. Tia's totally enjoying this experience. She's thinking her many thoughts, processing many different ways of finding different scents so she can communicate, maybe even leaving scents for other dogs to communicate back to them. She is living in her thoughts, and each thought is an electrical current, and each electrical current, right now she is a little frantic to get to the next message that she can find near the trees. And if she can't find the message right away, she'll dig for the message. So she is absolutely driven to get an answer. Tia, you okay? Everybody, have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, be kind to one another, and enjoy the weather.